Good evening everyone. Today we are going to do the daily Leetcode challenge of 2nd February 2023, that is question number 953, verifying an alien dictionary. The question is saying in an alien language surprisingly they also use English lowercase letters but possibly in a different order. The order of alphabet is some permutation of lowercase letters and we are given a sequence of words written in alien language and the order of the alphabet. We have to return true if they are in lexicographical order and we have to return false if they are not in lexicographical order. What they want us to do is that aliens have a dictionary which is similar to ours, but the order of words is different in their dictionary and we have to tell whether the words given by them are in order or not. Let's move on to the example and see how it is done. So in the first example, they have given us the order. The order of dictionaries here, that H should come first, then L, then A, then B. And we have to check whether these two words are in right order in dictionary. So we see H comes before L. Here first word is H, here second word is L. We are just comparing the first words in this case and we are returning true. Yes, it is true, it is in lexicographical order. Dictionary is correct. When we move on to second example, in this example we see we are given this order. So when we check compare words, W is same, O is same, R is same, then there comes L. In the order L is before D, but here D is coming first, so we return false. We compared the words and we return false. So we need to know the order, this order somehow, that what is the position or ranking of words, which one is higher, which one comes first or which one comes later. Yes or no? And the final example is in this word is okay, PP, all three are same. But after that, here is blank, nothing here. But here is a word. So it has a higher preference. So app should come first before apple. So this is also false. So in the third case, we notice that when the string is empty, when we reach the end and the first string length is greater than the second one is greater than 2, then we return false. Easy questions have this ability that if you see the examples, you will be easily able to get all the corner test cases, as in this example. So I hope you have got a fair idea. Please try this and then come back to the video. I hope you tried the question on your own. Now see what is the actual approach. So we simply need to create a map which will store character and integer, and we will pass the order values in it, and we will store h value as 0, that it should come first, then L is 1, and we will store the values in a map, and after that we will check whether this word is having smaller value than the this word or not, h is smaller than L or not. If this is true, we return true. This is our first case. Yes or no? If it is true, the dictionary is right. In the second case, we noticed that D is greater than L, and this should not be the case. So we return false. This is our second case. These are the possible cases, right or not? And the final case is when the word has ended and the first word is having greater length than second word. In that case also we return false. So these are our only three cases which we can find from considering test cases. So always try to think of test cases and always look examples carefully. They are for your help and you will be easily able to do it. So now let's move on to the coding part. Coding this is pretty easy if you have understood all the things I told you till now. So we start with creating a map of character and integer value. Let's name it as MP. And as I told you, we will iterate in a loop from order dot size. We will consider this order and assign values to the characters in our map. For that we do map order I is equal to I. We are initializing the values to them. After that, what I told you, we will run another loop which will be till words dot size. We will consider every word. After that, we need to create strings. String w1 which will be words I, and string w2 which will be words I plus 1. That means the second string, you can say second string. So if we are doing I plus 1, we could not iterate till the last, so it will be words size minus 1. After that, we need to consider the length of iteration. From till when we iterate, we will iterate to till minimum of w1 dot length or w2 dot length. Whoever is minimum, we will iterate till that. After that, we will start a loop for int j is equal to 0. J should be less than n, j plus plus. And that if the three conditions, if w1j is less than w2j. In such cases, we break the loop and we finally return our answer. Return true. We break the loop. If this is not the case, we will check if map w1I is greater than map w2I. That means it is greater than the second word. First word is greater than second word. That is the condition of second example. D is greater than L. Then what we do? We return false. And in the third case, if j is equal to n minus 1 and w1 dot length, what this means? It means we have reached the end. We are at the last element. If we have reached the end and the length of first element is greater than second element, then also we return false. So this is all you had to do. So let's just run and check whether it is working or not. It is not working for case 2 and case 2 is returning true and it should return false. Case 2 is here. We have written I here. We should write J here. So that was the mistake. This should work now. So yeah, it is working. So let's just submit it. Yes, it is accepted. So if you have any other doubt related to this question, please comment down. I hope you understood the question. Please try to comment down the time and space complexity. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.